Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create beach wave hair. So first I'm going to spray my hair with heat protector, and I'm using Tresemme Keratin Smooth heat protector. I'm just going to spray that through my hair, mainly on the ends of my hair. I'm just going to brush my hair through. And while you're doing this, you can plug in your hair straighteners to make sure that they've heated up. And then I'm going to take little sections of my hair and use 2 fingers and just wrap the hair around your fingers like that and hold it in place. Then you're going to take your straighteners and then basically just put your straighteners onto the curl and just leave it there for a few seconds and let the curl heat up. And I'm just going to let it sit there for a bit. And you're just going to keep doing this. You can curl it as many times as you want. And you're not going to do it to the full head. You're just going to take little sections and just leave it like that. Take a few at the back as well. You can twirl it around your fingers about two or 3 times. I like to do it about 3 times. But obviously if you've got like shorter hair, you won't need to twirl it around your hair as many times as I do. Although it depends where you want your waves as well. If you want them a bit more higher up, then I suggest you twirl around your fingers a bit more. But if you want it more just on the ends of your hair, only twirl it around about 2 times. I'm just going to keep doing this until I'm happy with the little sections I've got. If your hair's a bit more thicker, I suggest you turn the straighteners up a little bit so it's a bit more hotter. And then you won't have to hold the straighteners on for as long. So once you've done, just take out the little curls and just separate them. You can either brush the curls out or just leave them as they are. And so the curls aren't going to be perfectly curled as they would be if you used a normal hair curling wand. These are going to be a bit more messier, so that's why they're going to be more of the beach wave look. So it's like you've just come out of the sea. I'm just going to shake my hair a bit. I'm going to shake them, either brush your hair or shake them so they're just separated a little bit. And I'll look a little something like this. And then you can either leave it, or I like to hairspray my hair so I know that it stays in a bit longer. I'm using some Wella hairspray. I'm just going to spray it just on the curls a little bit. Mainly on the ends, because that's where my curls mainly are. And there you have it. that's how you get your beach waves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and everything you do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!